Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name's Shayla if this is your first time here. So in today's video, I'm going to be showing you, reviewing, swatching the brand new Iluvsarahii times Colourpop collab. This is Karen's okay, so it's her third collab, but her second palette, and it is a gem. And I say gem because it kind of looks like a jewelry box. Jewelry. It looks like a bunch of gems, okay, and gemstones. That's what it reminds me of. So this collab is called Through My Eyes, and she was inspired by a kaleidoscope. Let me show you the PR package up in here. Look at that. Look how pretty that is. You can see kaleidoscope vibes. You know, you look through it and then you turn it and then everything kind of turns. It looks just like this. Super cute. So this is a PR box. It's just a really pretty collection. I like that it's just a palette and then the lip colors because it's just nice and just small. I'm here for a small collection, okay? Like, I love it. I love reviewing a palette and some lips. All makes it a little easier for me. No, but really, it's just really pretty. Let me show you guys. So you kind of have like all these really beautiful jewel tone colors, and you can see that the metallics are just super vibrant, super pigmented. I can't wait to try this. Well, I've already used it. So this Wild Soul color, this like orangey kind of yellowy color, I wore by itself the other day. I posted on Instagram, just like all over the lid. It's such a pretty like yellowy brown. I think this actually might be my favorite shade in the palette, but you guys can see it's just really pretty. So not only is Karen launching the eyeshadow palette, she has 3 beautiful lip colors. The nude, you guys, I've been wearing this every single day. A lot of people have been asking like, what's the nude? What's the nude? I'm like, I've been trying to save it for this review, but it's her nude. What is it called? Sueno De Coco. Okay, this is like, this nude right here is bomb AF. So 2 of the lip colors are matte and 1 of them is a gloss. So I'm gonna try all of these on in today's video. I'm gonna try everything on. I'm gonna try it all on. So without further ado, let's get started. Hi. All right, I'm gonna start with the L'Oreal Infallible Concealer, and I'm just gonna use this as my eyeshadow base. It works, you guys. I don't know how, but concealer lately is just like everything. I'm just using a flat brush and applying it all over the lid, under the brow. My hand is shaking a little bit. Am I hungover? What's happening right here? What's going on? I cannot decide what to do. Like, I want to show you guys a lot of these warm colors, but I feel like I always do that. So let's go more for like the cooler shades in the palette. Like up in here, I'm kind of like vibing with this. Maybe match my shirt. I don't know. Okay, so let's start with Nostalgia, this one right here. This is like a mauve-y color. Put this in the crease first. I would actually describe this as like a dusty pink, dusty mauve kind of vibe. I hope you guys had a good holiday. Les's family, my family came together on Christmas, and I feel like it was a success. It was a success. Like, we didn't run out of food, we didn't run out of drink. Everyone had a really good time. So I feel like this is gonna be like an annual Christmas tradition, you know? Everyone comes to the house, chills out, has a good time, eats, you know? Ooh, this is pretty. Matches my shirt. All right, next I'm gonna go in with Misbehave. Ooh, yes. We are mauving it up. So I'm just gonna press this color in the crease first because there is a lot of pigment, okay? And then I'm gonna go back and forth and really kind of just blend it in. Anytime you have an eyeshadow with a ton of pigment, always kind of press it first so you don't have fallout, and then blend it in. Like, look at that. This is why I mess with Colourpop, okay? Because it's affordable and she is pigmented, okay? Look at that. Look at, that's how you know pigment is affordable, okay? I'm like debating if I should do a halo eye up in here. I love a good halo eye, you know what I'm saying? Okay, so I'm gonna put Divina, this one right here. This is actually really pretty purple. I don't know how to describe it, but it's just a really pretty shade of purple. It's like a red based purple, which I love, oh my God. So I'm just tapping this in the outer corner of the eye. I'm also gonna put it on the inside, and then I'm gonna press it in the crease. Love this color. So right now I'm not really worried about making it blended. I'm trying to just place it. So this is just all about placement because I'm gonna go through and blend it after. So I'm just pressing the shadow exactly where I want it to be like the darkest, and then we'll blend it out. Ooh. Ooh, that's real cute. All right, now I'm gonna go through with that Divina, the same color I just pressed in the crease, and I'm gonna blend that out. I mean, it kind of like, it looks a little blended already, but we're gonna really blend it. Listen, if you ever see me like stop doing my makeup and just like pose real quick, that's when you know, okay? Ooh, I love like this Divina shade is definitely like my favorite color. Like you would think I would go towards one of the metallics. No, this one is like, she is real cute. Actually, hold on one second. Where are my edges at? Where'd they go? Hold up. Pick them up real quick. All right, I'm gonna go back in with my L'Oreal Infallible concealer, and we're just gonna put this on the center of the lid because we're gonna do a little bit of a halo slash cut crease up in here. So I'm really just focusing the concealer on the center of the lid. So what I'm gonna do is look up with the concealer on my lid. Let's see how far up that goes, and that's basically, see that line right there? That's basically where I'm gonna stop with the concealer. And you may have to dip into your concealer a couple more times just to get like a little bit more product. Cause I like to start with like a little bit and then gradually add more versus like having too much, you know what I mean? Ooh, cut. So the brush I use to do that is the Zoeva 329. This is actually a lip brush, but I like how like thin it is, just gets right up in there. Ooh, I did a good job. You know, sometimes I'm like, whatever, but this time, she came out cute. Okay, so I'm gonna put a little bit of Misbehave, this color, kind of on the outside and inside. So I'm gonna leave just like the very, very center of my lid blank for now. Color is always gonna show up a little bit more vibrant when you use a flat brush versus like a blending brush. This is cute though. All right, now I'm gonna go in with Flex, this kind of gray color. How would you describe this? Yeah, it's like a silvery iridescent, almost like a silvery brown iridescent, but we're gonna use that same brush, and I'm just gonna put this all over the lid. Well, not all over, but you know, where you can see the concealer. So you wanna make sure that when you're applying the center color, it's almost like overlapping with that like plum. Just to add like a little bit more dimension to the eyes, I'm gonna put this shade right here, the lightest color in the palette, the lightest frosty color, I should say, Lucido, I think. And I'm just gonna put this like right in the crease, almost like you're drawing a line. Ooh. All right, I'm gonna line with the Shady Dose of Colors liner. This is like, you guys know, this is like my favorite. I don't think I'm gonna do a wing today. No, I just like it to like fade sometimes. Wing knowing. So I'm lining the waterline and under the lash line. So switching to a pencil brush, this little outer corner here, I'm just gonna like smudge it so it doesn't look like it just stops. When you smudge it, it just kind of makes it look blended. There it is right there. All right, now I'm gonna go in with the Divina, the darkest shade, and I'm just gonna set the eyeliner. All right, switching to my pencil brush, I'm gonna dip in Misbehave and kind of smudge the bottom lash line because I like how you can see like this pink shade in the crease, so I wanna bring that under the lash line also. I do that a lot, like whatever's in the crease, I'll put it like under my eyes. I love like the little highlight in the crease, looks so cute. All right, I'm gonna set my eyes, my face. That was the Urban Decay All Nighter Spray. This is Snapscara from Maybelline. Ooh, my eyes look so pretty. If you guys are gonna be wearing like a purple New Year's Eve outfit, I feel like this would be bomb. I don't have plans right now, so I might not be wearing anything, but I feel like this is a really good New Year's Eve look. All right, I'm gonna finish off the eyeshadow look with the Lily Lashes in I just like saying that. I've worn these like 1,500 times. No, I'm so serious. And I just love how lashes look after they're like super worn and they've kind of like, you know, shaped to your eye. Look at that. Nice and wispy. Ooh. I love it. I love it, I love it, I love it. I think purples are just like made for me. All right, I'm gonna try on all of Karen's lipsticks. I'm gonna do the nude last because that's my favorite. But I'm gonna use the Colourpop BFF3 liner with all of the lip colors. And I think I'm gonna start with the gloss just to show you guys like what the gloss looks like by itself. So this is just a little liner, BFF3. All right, this gloss is called Glass Lip. Oh, pretty. It's kind of like a sheer, I would say, corally lip gloss. And it comes with the brush applicator, which I love. Ooh, this is cute by itself. Look at that. Ooh. All right, this next matte lipstick is called Dulcet, and it looks kind of like pinky peachy. So let's see. Oh yeah, it's like a not terracotta, like a coral, I guess you would say. Like a corally, ooh, I know, watermelon. I'd probably wear this one with like a wing liner or like just lashes, you know? Ooh, this with a wing actually would be. All right, the last lip color in her lip set is Sueno De Coco, and it's my favorite. I love this color. Like I told you guys, I've been wearing this ever since it came out. So with nudes, you always want to put it on your bottom lip and then blot. Ooh, that almost blended perfectly. Ooh, see that? I'm telling you, trying to tell y'all. I'm just gonna put like a little bit more lip liner. Dang. I need an award for that blend. Okay, look at that. Ooh, told you guys. Told you. All right, let me take this headband off. Let me zoom out and I'll be right back. All right, guys, here is the finished slay, the finished look. I love it. I love this collection. Karen, I'm so proud of you. 2018 was definitely your year. This lip is just like season 10 all the way. Yeah, I love it. I mean, look at it. Speaks for itself. I hope you guys enjoyed this review / tutorial. Don't forget to comment below, subscribe to my channel, and last but not least, well, wait, happy holidays, happy new year. Last but not least, strut and slay.